only does it smell good, it enhances your brain power. There are studies that show if you sniff a rosemary sprig before taking a test, the ones that do better on the test. So today, it's all about shower the people you love with love, and we are showering Lucy Love, my great niece, with a new puree. She loved it, by the way. We steamed the broccoli, but I infused the water with rosemary. The goal at Garden of Edie is to elevate the nutritional content of everything you eat. And so I just steamed all this broccoli with this rosemary infused water. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable, and they are some of the most healthy vegetables you could possibly eat. We're gonna pour some water and blend away. You can really smell the rosemary in this rosemary puree. So the baby gets about 3 tablespoons because they just try it one a day for 3 days and see how they like it. And the parents, what about putting it on potatoes? Just beautiful steamed potatoes. Now you've got your cauliflower, you've got your potatoes, and you've got this delicious sauce. Isn't that beautiful? It will enhance your brain and your babies too. Sending lots of love this April showers.